back to another video of C&D, and today we're back with Pokemon cards. And this is a cool Galarian bird tin. I have Zapdos. She has the Articuno. And so yeah, let's open them and see what's inside. It's very easy to open. The plastic's so thin. Ooh, here's my Zapdos. It's chasing a Doduo. Here's my Articuno.
It's very different artworks.
Okay, so we haven't opened any Crown Zenith yet, so I'm very excited that we each got some. So it comes with 4 Crown Zenith packs. And this is like the last set before Scarlet and Violet, so okay, I'll open one. Okay. Oh my, these ones are hard. Okay, we have an Energy, Luxio, Metang, Shaman, Pokeball, Corphish, Oddish, Seal, Kricketot, Pancham Reverse, and Yanmega non-hollow. Okay, Energy, Pokemon Catcher, Bisharp, Digging Duo, Aeron, Riolu, Starly, Scyther, Pokeball, Switch Reverse, and Lycanroc non-hollow. Okay. These ones are harder to open. I don't like it. No, I don't think the code cards mean anything in this set because we both got the good code cards and we didn't get anything. So. Energy Shaman, Crushing Hammer, Carnivine, Snorunt, Pawniard, Tangela, Beltoy, Galarian Meowth, Reverse Yama, Reggie Gigas V-Star.
That's a cool card.
Wow, that's actually really good. Okay, Energy, Solrock, Rare Candy, Luxio, Chatot, Yanma, Pawniard, Kricketot, Shinx. Whoa! It's a Deontay trainer gallery, I think. What?
Whoa!
Wow, that was a crazy pack.
Look at that
There's a
artwork.
Rotom V-Star. Wow. Best pack yet. Wow. 2 V-Stars. Okay, Energy, Bisharp, Graveler, Pokemon Catcher, Wooloo, Helioptile, Pancham, Switch, Snorunt, whoa, Turtwig, Trader Gallery, and Zeraora V. Wow, the pull rates are really good. Energy, Rescue Carrier, Giraffe Rig, Pincurchin, Shinx, Corphish, Poniard, Seal, Rockruff. What?
Whoa.
Wait. What?
That's really
That is
cool.
a really, really good card. Wow.
Wow.
She has got some insane stuff. Wow, we both have. Okay, this is my last pack. Okay. That's really annoying. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay, we have an Energy, Krokorok, Luxio, Friendzen Hizui, Skrelp, Helioptile, Wooloo, Shanks, Pancham, Aeron Reverse, and Galarian Berserker. No. Okay, Energy, Digging Duo, Girafarig, Pincurchin, Switch, Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Boltoy. What? Wait a minute, that might be one of the best cards. What? What?
Is that what's on
Why?
the cover?
How? Yeah, she just got a Zacian V-Star right after this Gardenia's Vigor. Wow, that was insane. The pulls we got were really good, so I would definitely recommend buying these before you can't get them anymore.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.